In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious eggplant stew recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 eggplant, 1 onion diced, 1 green pepper diced, 1 tomato diced, 2 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. We're going to start by cutting our eggplant into small pieces. In a pan over heat, add the oil and the onions and saute them. Add the green peppers and continue to saute. Season with the salt. Add the tomato. Season with the pepper, garlic powder, and the paprika. Add in 2 tablespoons of water. Add the eggplants and cook thoroughly. Once cooked, add in another 2 tablespoons of water. Our eggplant stew is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.